everybody. You're just in time.
They are?
Yes, because we are going to read you a little story.
No.
Yes.
You mean the one about the hat?
Yes, the one about the hat. We are going to read you a story about a hat. Gobo?
Yeah?
What are you doing?
That's where your hat goes.
Ah, yes. That's where your hat goes. Your hat goes
on your head.
That's right. So, everybody, get all settled and we'll see you in a flash.
Yeah, really quickly.
Really quickly. Bye. Now that you are all settled in your cozy corner, I'd like to begin reading I Want My Hat Back by John Clausen. Also, illustrated by John Clausen. He does two things. He writes the story and he illustrates it as well. Let's get into this one. My hat is gone. I want it back. Have you seen my hat? No, I haven't seen your hat. Okay, thank you anyway. Have you seen my hat? No, I have not seen any hats around here. Okay, thank you anyway. Have you seen my hat? No. Why are you asking me? I haven't seen it. I haven't seen any hats anywhere. I would not steal a hat. Don't ask me any more questions. Okay, thank you anyway. Have you seen my hat? I haven't seen anything all day. I have been trying to climb this rock. Would you like me to lift you on top of it? Yes, please. Have you seen my hat? I saw a hat once. It was blue and round. My hat doesn't look like that. Thank you anyway. Have you seen my hat? What is a hat? Thank you anyway. Nobody has seen my hat. What if I never see it again? What if nobody ever finds it? My poor hat. I miss it so much. Poor bear. What's the matter? I have lost my hat and nobody has seen it. What does your hat look like? It is red and pointy and I have seen my hat. You stole my hat. I love my hat. Excuse me, have you seen a rabbit wearing a hat? No. Why are you asking me? I haven't seen him. I haven't seen any rabbits anywhere. I would not eat a rabbit. Don't ask me any more questions. Okay, thank you anyway. The end. Wow. Well done. What a great book. I mean, from start to finish. I love this book. It's easy to read, easy to understand, but it's funny. And you get to solve a mystery. Were you able to solve the mystery of who stole the bear's hat? I hope you did. If you want to spend more time with us and listen to more stories, just let us know. If you have a favorite book that you'd like us to read, let us know about that too. I hope you enjoyed your time here, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.